Hello, welcome to Rightfully Sewn's Atelier and YouTube channel. I'm Jennifer Lapka, your host, and I am positively thrilled that you are joining us. Together, along with special guests, we're going to explore fashion design entrepreneurship and domestic manufacturing. Today, we're going to learn about how to perfect your poise and elevator pitch. Every brand has a story. Every brand has a personality. Both of these things are inherently linked to you, the founder. So, as the founder, it is up to you to make a conscious effort to develop your body language, your eye contact, confidence, and public speaking abilities. All of these things are critical for inspiring people to become connected to your brand. Our guest is Kara Price, my friend, who is the Director of Model Development at Hoffman International Model Agency. She's a scout, and she coaches their models to become the best versions of themselves so as to advance their careers. Let's learn with Kara.
Thank you, Jennifer. So imagine that you get into an elevator and pretty quickly you realize that the person next to you is in your industry. And they ask you, so what do? You have about as long as it takes to get to the 5th floor to share your passion, your vision, and perhaps make a connection. So I have 3 points to share with you today on how to perfect and naturalize your pitch. Point 1, prepare. So you want to be confident in what you are saying, yet natural in your delivery, because every situation is different. So you want to be in the flow of the conversation. So I recommend practicing in different ways, different words that you use, different situations that you might visualize yourself in. That way you can keep it fresh and flexible and adaptable based on the conversation that you're in. A few different ways to help you prepare. One is to leave yourself a voicemail and listen back. This can really help for you to listen for those natural tones in your voice. Another is to find an elevator. What's neat about this is that you can press different floors, and of course, that means different amounts of time for you to adapt based on the time that you have with each person that you're talking to. I also highly recommend that you videotape yourself. This allows you to not only hear the natural tone in your voice, but also to watch your eye contact, your poise, your posture, shoulders back, which are all very important points in confidence. Number 2, executing your pitch. So let's talk about what, why, and who. First of all, what? So what is it that you are doing? What impact are you making on the world? What do you make or want to make? What is your vision? What is your passion? You can start with an interesting fact, maybe a story. Of course, this needs to be concise and to the point, but something to captivate and inspire right off the bat. Now for why. This is probably the most important key of your entire pitch. What is your purpose? This helps to draw people to you and touches on that emotional aspect. Who? Who are you doing this for, and how do you want to make them feel? This helps for the person that you're speaking to know if what you offer could be a fit for them, or perhaps someone they know, and you could get a referral. Number 3, the ask. This one is commonly overlooked, yet so important. What is it that you're wanting? Ask the question. Is it involvement in what you do? Is it to view your website? Perhaps to offer your business card, exchange for contact information or social media information? This allows you to take the conversation to the next level, because in an elevator, you only have so much time, right? So as we are wrapping up, I have a bonus tip for you. Have fun. Be you, be in the moment. Instead of strategizing in your head and thinking about what you're going to say next, really listening to the other person. This allows you to build the foundation for a relationship and a possible connection for the future. Okay, go find an elevator.
Thank you so much, Kara, and thank you to you, our viewers, for joining us. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to click subscribe. Also, check out our public sewing and fashion design classes and small batch production services via the links below. We'll see you next time.